Mr. Machona from the corner la uzongithola khona mokhona ukuba khona. It's been a minute bafethu sisibuyile nezinye size nezinye you know almost the country le ine drama, but our focus is not only on national issues. Nalezi zinto lezi ezenzakala eKasi thothi ngaphathi izinto ezenzakala eKasi azifana vandag ngigibela itaxi obvious ngiza la eSpanini ngigibela itaxi ngiza la eSpanini yo hayi mamela ngishoda nge5 rand ane ngishoda nge5 rand bhuti ngithi ngiyazinegotiatela ngijwayele ama taxi driver bomakasana hayi bafethu 5 rand yo hayi le ndoda ike yangiphendula ndoda hey ngesikrikhamba ndoda ngathi yo bafethu yo hayi sivelelwe ama taxi sawa driver lezi singaphandle lezi sase Mozambique sesisemateksini sisemasimbeni azifana taxi. It was the last thing that I thought foreign nationals will infiltrate. Mamela sabangenile ifuhla lespray uyayazi dayini sabangenile sokuyiba bojaro manje and uyazi mfethu ukuthi taxi it's a very valuable part. In fact, transportation is valuable to South Africans. Sabangene lapha bangene ekudleni sabangene lapha. Next thing you know, bakuma tavern. Actually, sabakhona nakuma tavern. Saba owner yiwa ma tavern. Eta le outlet na tangikhuluma nto tiskrikhamba na tangabona ngata abafethu sesilimele la. Sesilimele labantu saba driver ama taxi. Labantu saba driver ama taxi. And uyabona no license ayikho. U driver masimba ayikho license. Nabojaro la estradeni abamazi umuntu wakhona. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi abobani abaqasha labantu lapha. Because next thing you know, kuzoba nama owners ama taxi abuye Mozi. Kuzoba nama owners ama taxi abuye Malawi. Sina yabona manje sesiku trouble manje. Asakhona nokushaya igrab. At least manje la eKasi uyakhona ukushaya igrab nyana. Yabani monganazi into ushaya igrab uhamba umakasana bakubeke. Mara intona zaseKasi asisakhona ngokuqala intona zaseKasi azikhona ukuthengisa amaveji ngoba amakhona agcwele nabantu lapha. Khona two khona baba u222 gcwele labantu laba emakhoneni. Abathida baseKasi abasakhoni nokuphanda. Sesingene kumatroli. Aze business le yamatroli cap ne sakhula. Meyenza omunye umagqiza wase greenhouse yathola asibhadala 5 rand ngama Saturday mesingaya ngesikele yithi esiphusha ama trolls sithengisa ama veg mesishayise ebusuku asikaye either 5 rand or 10 rand mokuyimali eningi then mebhayisa thina amajida aseKasi nanodi last khona lezi mesithengisa lapha ematraining amajida aseKasi le ndoda moyithola ekseni ihlanganise lento ama veg yathola ihlanganise ama fruit kuthengiswa ngama troll abantini le cherry le ebuye eMozambique I traffic la lentona ayibona lentona esithengisa ama veg la sincane kabi lentona lezi ezinye azikaqeda isikela ezinye akusikudala ziqeda isikela. And manje anyeke ucompete nomuntu ukuthi usebenzisa I-free labor, I-slave labor. Labantu abatrafficile baba organizela iqhebu bayazi ukuthi baqhebuka kuphi baba organizela igawulo baba organizela izinto zokugeza yona into abayenzayo nje ukuthengisa tot veg
ehomini bahlala
baba my 10 20 yayithola bapinyane kanjalo. You won't compete with that wena as a South African ngoba umuntu la eKasi ngomqasha kwamele umbhadala kwamele umcompensate. You understand? You won't compete with that. You won't be able to sell lama veg lawa for as less as they sell them. You won't be able to work the way baspana ngakhona. That is why ucheke la eKasi amabhizinisi waseKasi abhaya wile awiswa yini ngokuqala ngisho awisa amakuli iPeza shop. Ngiyabona bomakasana bayazama ukurana iPeza shop bahluleke. Le alchemist bayisa iPeza shops amakula amasoja ama rebel soldiers leziya bazikidnapile bazenza amasoja bazitshela zikumishini lapha. That's why mezilala phezulu kwempuphu zigeza khona lapha zingalali ekseni ngo5 iseyivulile mara ukuthi ivale ngabo 10 sicomputer nabantu akuama slave laborers nala estradeni ndoda umuntu othengisa amatamati wakada Monday to Sunday no fail uvulile Monday to Sunday no fail same schedule. Akana abantwana abayisesikela lo muntu lo bayambiza ku parents meeting. There's no such. Yayithola akana mntwana okwamela ayohlaba ibhikho eclinic uyangithola wena mawucasha umuntu wasekazi kwamela ahamba ayohlaba amabhikho lapha ya understand that thing so i-value chain futhi manje ngawumethi value chain almost all the economic sectors in the township that are currently being infiltrated by foreign nationals, illegal foreign nationals futhi because I must not create a narrative that will seem as if I'm against foreign nationals. Yeah, man, I'm against illegal foreign nationals. They are the ones who are currently running almost all sectors of the economy in the township. Khuluma ngokudla they are there. Uyakunda kubo ufuna i-take away chicken dust yibo
ayithathe la wena banithi
yeah
njoba concurrently
yeah
njoba ubona ukuthi long visa ngidlala
yeah
yazi why business yami slow
why
babhizi lapha bathatha lamatayara lawo
yeah
lawa aphelile
bawaya
ahambe bawasikile
yeah
so mina angikwazi ukusikisela
yeah
masokho umfazi wakho
uyayithola le thing
mina ngizobalekela kuphi
uyayithola uzobaleka kwabuhlala la yenye into ongamele si-address leyo ukuthi uzobaleka la kuphi wena umuntu ola bona banandaba ukuthengisa izinto ezicheap baphoyizina ama-South African bayenze yona lento leyo konye bayibizana i-tire trading or what abanandaba they can do that abahlali la i-regrooving bayahamba babuyela or yazi bayenzani usuke kahle ongayethembisa maqeda ukuyenzakala i-riding isat la uyasuka la ayethembisa uyarelocate ahambe ayorana the same business ayiranayo kada understand so ama-South Africans angikhinya ngento eyi-one wena awuthiyami ama-South Africans angikhinya ngento eyi-one when something is cheap bazitshela ukuthi wamele baye kuyo abayi-question uyayithola abantu laba bayenzani bayenza ama-services abe cheap uyayithola bayenza ama-services abe cheap ama-South Africans athi hayi ngiyakulo yabani ubashkwane ucheap uyayithola mara ubashkwane ucheap uzokukhosta i-life yakho at the end of the day uyayithola